Hi, it's Andy. It's Williams Crawford. It's Passion for Porsche. And some people said, where have I been? Well, the last 12 months have been the busiest we've ever had. And the last 3 months have taken it to a whole new level. Sales have been just incredible. New stock coming in, new stock going out really quickly. Our sausage machine is working really well. So let's just have a quick look around the workshop, the showroom, see what's been happening. So this morning, the workshop's pretty much full of cars that are sold and being prepared or ready to go out. Stunning little 911 sold almost as soon as it arrived. Next to that, beautiful 981 Cayman, and behind the mint green 991 GTS. This sold within, I'm going to say, a couple of hours of it appearing on our website and Auto Trader. And the gentleman who's bought it actually tried to buy it a year ago and has been searching for it ever since. Couldn't believe it came up and reserved it almost the second he saw the advert. Just behind, going through the workshop, some other cars in for servicing and maintenance. Just at the back, we've got three sold cars that will be collected next week. The 991 Turbo S, lovely cobalt blue 987 Cayman, and one of our favourites, the 911 SC Targa. It's a car we've supplied a couple of times, absolutely stunning. 928, just arrived for some maintenance work. Lovely little blue 911T, whether that may or may not come up for sale shortly. What's this on the ramp? Mercedes GTC. Sounds like absolute thunder. V8, twin turbo. Fantastic machine. That's already sold, being prepared, ready to go. The turbo here, I think that's in for some service work. Let's have a look in the showroom. Z3M, Phoenix Yellow, it's a rare car. The Ferrari's just come back from Ferrari, having had its some maintenance and service work done, so that is literally ready to go. The MGC has found a new home, that'll be going shortly. A couple of gorgeous early 911s. 986 Boxster Tiptronic, lovely low mileage, but sadly already sold. 993, and the little 356 that we've sold before. 993 is already sold, waiting collection. Brown Targa, sold. This little black Targa's just arrived, so that'll be checked over, and you may see it on the website fairly soon. This little beauty, Linen 964, yes, it's sold already. Under the cover, it's a part exchange. It's just gone off of its wheels refurbished. BMW Z4, sold within a day of it arriving. This arrived yesterday. It's a car I've sold before. Stunning 993 C4S, left-hand drive, lovely mileage, incredible history. When I say it's got a box full of service history, it has actually got a box. 996 C2 manual. Clutch and IMS have been done. I drove that this week, really quick, lovely noise, sports exhaust, sounds amazing. What else have we got? Exceptionally low mileage, 996 Tiptronic, just the one owner from new, 12,000 miles. Look at that interior. Polar Silver 993 C4, that I've sold. I sold that before it came in, actually. That's going very soon. This one's just, I think we're just storing this for a little while. It's been going off back to the customer. Two black Caymans. Different eras. 987 Cayman R. My favourite car of the whole Porsche range. It's a PDK. It's got the bucket seats. Absolutely stunning interior, that one. And then beside it, a you want a bit more interaction with the manual gearbox, 981 GTS, the ultimate of that sort of era, unless you go to the slightly more raw and aggressive GT4. Now, there's a couple of GTSs here. The white one I've sold. The red one is still available if you're quick. And, oh my, what's this? This must have arrived last night. Now, this is sold. This, I believe, is the fastest and the most powerful production Aston Martin that they've built to date. The Superleggera V12 twin turbo. I'm quite sad because I watched lots of videos, so I think it's 725 horsepower, 900 newton meters of torque, huge carbon ceramic brakes. This has got, I would say, a huge number of options. There is carbon fibre everywhere. And if you watch your YouTube videos, this will either be described as chaos or cash or something similar like that. I don't know if it's flexing or vibing, but that is impressive. That's been sold and that'll be collected in the next few days. That's stunning. I bet that sounds incredible. So there we are, that's pretty much brought us back up to date. Building works continuing, new offices going here at the back for the restoration division, which is growing and growing. So yeah, times are good. If you'd like a Porsche, please give me a call.